Well, we all should come forward in order to protect these biggest field. Uh, the name of this field is Guptri Bill, which is the biggest field or biggest field in the area. This is our pride. Guptabit is our pride. But nowadays we notice one thing, that people are building house randomly. Therefore, the field is losing its beauty. So we should have a closer look in order to protect this field. Especially the authorities should have a closer look in order to protect this one, in order to save this field. As you can see, this field can be one of the most attractive fields in this area. People actually love to come here in the afternoon in order to enjoy the natural beauty of this place. If we just take care of this field, I think this might be one of the most attractive places in this area. And of course, this place kind of tourist spot, and we actually come in the afternoon to with our relatives, with our near ones, to spend a good time here. But currently we can say one thing, that people have already started building houses. Therefore, the field is getting smaller. So it's not a piece of good news for us, and we should be watchful about this village and people who live close to this field. I humbly request to them to take actions against the people who actually building house randomly. If it continues, we will lose this field. As you know, Guptribil has got a huge pride, or it's our pride. I used to listen to the story from my grandparents. They used to talk about this field. But currently, if you see that the field is getting smaller, it was one of the biggest fields in our district. So it's our pride, and we should take care of this field. If we don't take care of this field, someday we will lose this biggest field. So I really humbly request to the authority to have a closer look to save this beautiful place. As you can see, the beauty of this place, a green field, huge field, and I can see some green trees. Birds are just making sound, and people are coming from different parts of the district in order to have a good time. So I think we should have we should be very careful about this place. If we can have a closer look, I'm pretty sure that we can save this place, and especially young generation should take necessary steps in order to protect this field from the people who actually building house randomly without any reasons. They are just building house. So thank you.